This is one of my go-to head wrap styles. So if you like this and would like to know how I created or how I wrapped this, then you want to stick around till the end, because whether you have a lot of hair or no hair, I'm going to show you how to get a full head wrap look, even though I don't have a lot of hair. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is create a foundation, a base for your head wrap, because you want it to be up and high, so you want to create a base. So if it is that you have locks or you have a lot of hair, then you can just use your hair to create that base. However, if you have no hair or if your hair is short, then you can do what I do. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some sort of material and we're going to create a base or create this circle. They call this the kata. In some cultures, even in Jamaica and African cultures, you create a kata to carry water or, to carry load. You put the kata on your head to cushion the load. The first step is to have the base under the skull cap to keep it steady and sturdy, so that when you're walking and bending and dancing, it don't move or drop. So now that we have the kata under the skull cap and it's sturdy and steady, I'm going to ask you to watch the rest of this tutorial, because I can show you better than I can tell you. All right, so here goes. So once you put the cloth over your head, you're going to go for the front of the cloth, the tip, and you're going to push the tip under the skull cap in the center of your forehead, just to keep it secure and to keep it from shifting. Then you're going to hold the cloth from the two sides, and then you're going to wrap each side around the base, the kata that was created. Or if you had used your own hair. So basically I'm tucking this in, and then I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to be also tucking this in for security and closure as well. This could be the final look, but I like to have a lot of body and fullness on my head wrap. So this is actually my underpiece. And now this is going to be the actual head wrap. So basically we're just redoing what we just did. So we're going to use this cloth and we're going to put it over the head. Then we're going to take the front tip of the cloth and we're going to tuck it under in the middle of the forehead, and then we're going to get the two sides of the cloth and we're going to wrap it around the kata until there is no more cloth left. So you're going to do that to both sides. You're going to wrap one side around, and then when it gets to the end, you tuck that, and then you're going to wrap the other side around, and then you're going to tuck it when you get to the end, and then you're going to do it as securely as possible so that it doesn't shift or pull out during your day-to-day activities. I hope you got that. So this is what it looks like at the front, at the side, and let's do the back. If you're looking for head wraps like these in different colors, then you can check out my Amazon store in the description section. So there you have it. That's how I created this head wrap style. Until my next head wrap tutorial. Blessed love.